This is an avocado, and this is a podcast. That makes this an avocado podcast.
You are now listening to The Young God, a podcast for the gods.
What up, my people? I'm Rodney Omokache, and this is season 4 of my podcast titled The Young God. It's a platform where I share unique perspectives, scintillating stories, and dangerous conversations. It's unlike anything you've ever listened to. It's more than a mere expression of thoughts and ideas. It's about helping people like you and I find truth, insight, nuance, and meaning in a world littered with bullshit. Ladies and gentlemen, my platform is an art form. I don't have all the answers though. I'm no guru or therapist. I'm just a guy who knows things, who likes to think things through and find that hidden truth. And it's not all so serious. On one episode, I can talk about slaying the dragons in my life. On another episode, I can talk about the slay queens in my life. Either way, I always slay. And that's what makes The Young God so good. You never know what you'll get. You never know what you hear or learn. Nothing is off limits. Some things might offend, but in order to think any original thought, you have to risk being offensive. All I can guarantee is that it all comes from a place of love and a genuine desire to understand. We don't do extremes and we don't do absolutes around here. We think freely. This new season promises more of the same energy you've come to know and love, but with a few creative additions. I'll be infusing poetry and music into my episodes for the first time ever. And I'm not talking about mainstream music. I'm talking about my music. Music I recorded way back in the day when I was in college. Music that hasn't seen the light of day in 10 years. This is perhaps the aspect I'm most excited and nervous about because it's a side of me that fascinates even me. And I lived it. So I can only imagine how you guys will respond to the stuff that I put out. But I'm here for it. This season, I'm more vulnerable than ever, telling my story, mastering my narrative, putting my skills on full display for you guys who have been loyal from the jump. This season is a gift and I can't wait for you to unwrap it. If you're a newcomer, listen to my podcast at your own peril. It's fucking ridiculous, it's inspiring, it's intelligent, and it's human, but also the stuff of gods. If you're a fan of the show, you know the vibes. New episodes drop every Saturday at midnight, so do subscribe to join me on this journey. This is The Young God.